Hello, my name is Rebecca Lutz, and this is my data protocol that I came up with. So this will be the sheet that I would just hand out to teachers while they're at their table, and the steps that you would follow while you're going over your data. So the first question that you want to answer is, where are we now? In that section, it would include demographics, perceptions, student learning, school process. Where do you want to be would be the second step. So that would include your purpose, your mission, your vision, and your goals. Next step is, how do we get where we are? So that is the difference between where we are now and where we would like to be in the future. How are we going to get to where we want to be? So in this section, we would talk about our action plan, and then we would start implementing those changes. And then the last step would be, two more steps, I'm sorry. The fifth step would be, is what we're doing making a difference? So you want to do evaluations, whether that be summative or formative. And then if the data remains stagnant, you want to reassess your data and then make the changes that are necessary, if there are any necessary changes for that. And then at the bottom is my references for that. Here is the table that you will fill out as you are going through your information. So the first part is the where are you now, demographics, perception, student learning, and school process. You may need more lines. If you do, you can just insert some, but you might not use them all. So that's completely up to you. Next step would be, where do you want to be? So there's where we would put the purpose, the mission, the value, and our goals. Next step would be how do we get where we are? And that under here, you'll just fill out the differences between where we are now and where we want to be. And then our last step is, how are you going to get where we want to be? So under here, you'll just put your action plan, and then you can make notes about the changes that you've implemented, so you can keep a good track of what you have done and if it's worked or if it has not worked. Let's see. So as I said earlier, you may not fill out all the lines. If you don't, that's okay. But as always, let me know if you have any questions or need help filling it out. Thank you.